Hi everybody, my name is Amanda from beautifulnursing.com and here's my story. So my journey with nursing started in 2016. So I struggled my way through nursing school, but I did not quit. My cohort, when I would finish writing notes and put it on a final, they were like, you should publish these. Like, these would help other students besides us. Started publishing some of my nursing school notes and made a TikTok about it, and it blew up. Here's my book, you guys, but I wanted to make it's not just a normal book because I wanted to make a whole section that were for students that were like me, that not only struggled with learning the material, but also struggled with anxiety and attention issues. So that's why I made this book. This is a really not only good to study with, but it's a comforting book. Also wanted to find all the hottest, most wanted, most essential nursing school items that were out on the internet and try to bring them all together into one kit that will be cheaper together than anywhere you would find. My belief is that everything should be cost efficient, it should have high quality, it should really just be beautiful, uplifting, educational, but also I want to make sure that customer service is on point, so making sure that you're happy. I have a love it guarantee on everything, because if you're not happy, I really am not happy, I swear. Because I just want you to pass and do well in school. I want you to have the tools. I want you to have everything you need at your fingertips, so you don't have to be feeling inadequate, feeling like you're not good enough, capable, strong enough to be a nurse, because you definitely are. And so that is what beautiful nursing is. I love you guys. Thank you so much for all the support over the years, and here's to many more.